Hey, Dorothy, how you doing? I've got your poster up. Well, I've got your submission up. Dorothy, we've talked about this a couple of times in recent weeks about the importance of submitting a PDF or a JPEG, preferably a PDF. But I see that you've submitted an Adobe Illustrator file again, and that's problematic. Typically, for presentation, we'll submit a PDF, and the reason is because a PDF will embed all of the assets right in the work, giving the person reviewing the work the most expeditious way to access that work in a way that is viewed the way that's intended. Let me tell you why I say that, because when you submit the Adobe Illustrator file, you're asking the viewer to, if they don't have Illustrator open, you're asking them to open up a software specifically to look at your work. Then you're asking, well, let me show you where the real problem lies. I'm going to open this up. I've downloaded it, right? I've got it right here, and I'm going to open it up right in Illustrator, and I want you to see what happens. This is, well, this right here, this is missing fonts. It's a missing font warning, and this is saying that my computer does not have, nor is this font available through Adobe Creative Cloud. So I can't click this, select it to activate it and find it. So this, I can't see this, resulting in this. Let me just close that. This is what I see. It's substituting a font. So there's just no way for me to see what you're intending. Okay, and again, that is the critical importance of submitting a PDF. Otherwise, you would have to submit the font in a folder in order for the viewer to be able to see it. I can tell you one thing here. I want you to rethink center alignment. As we know, center alignment does absolutely nothing to activate negative space. What I would like students to do in this assignment is to actually use negative space as a design element. Instead of just leftover space. So try to avoid center alignment at all costs. I will say also that these look like they're about to be about the same size. This is called Broadway. This is at 80 point. This is called Broadway. This is at 96. So yeah, it's just a little bit bigger. I don't think the difference is much, but I would reduce the size of the tagline. Think about the relationship between a headline and a subhead in a newspaper. And that's all I can really say at this point because that's all I can see. Okay, so if you want to resubmit the PDF, that would be fantastic. If you have, oh, by the way, it's really simple to do. So I'm an illustrator, so I just go across the menu at the top of the screen, which you can't see right now as in my window, but I go across at the top of the screen and I go File, Save As, and this dialog box will open as soon as my computer is done freaking out, which it's been doing all day, by the way. Okay, this right here, and what you're after here is format. If you drop that down, you can see this is Adobe PDF. Just save it as a PDF. That will embed everything right in the file, so no linking, no links needed, no embedding, nothing. Just everything is ready to go if you submit it as a PDF. So that would be my recommendation. So please resubmit. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Okay, cool. Thanks, Dorothy.